Welcome back, everyone, to Financier Pro. And today I want to talk about how to make money with NFTs in 2022 and beyond. We know that the crypto market is down right now, but these are based on utility NFTs that you can ride it out on or do your research on as well. I like to provide valuable information for my YouTube channel and podcast channel. So I have a list of them right now. If you want to write them down or pause this, do your research on whatever. But invest in promising new NFTs early. That's one thing you can do by doing your research. And also do your research on these blockchains. A lot of these blockchains are not going to make it past this bear market, to be honest with you. One or two of the blockchains that I'm looking at is Algorand and Cardano blockchains. So you have play to earn NFT games that's never going away because people are always going to find a way to play games. NFT holdings, flipping NFTs, minting your own NFTs, which I've done as well. NFT trading, staking NFTs, and you're earning crypto with them, generating royalties, earn interest on NFT gaming rewards, invest in companies with exposure to NFTs. And a couple NFTs that I've bought are based on adult themed NFTs, which you can describe as sexual related NFT images, but I earn crypto on them every single week and every single month because I hold certain ones that earn me more, that are more valuable than others, sort of say. Okay, let's take a closer look at this. So, investing in and promising new NFTs early. One of the best ways to make money on an NFT is investing and promising new collections early, and it might skyrocket in value. No one knows for sure, but you do your research on it. You never know. A prime example of this is CryptoPunks, which was purchased in 2017 between $1 and $34. When the NFT craze hit in 2021, they were worth millions of dollars, just like those ape NFTs. I can't think of the exact name of them right now, but you guys know what I'm talking about. What is Lucky Block? Since CryptoPunks are now out of graphs, you have Lucky Block. Lucky Block is an exciting new crypto lottery platform. This is hosted on Binance Smart Chain. So do your research on that Binance Smart Chain with Lucky Block. Okay, they have 10,000 NFTs that can be purchased through the NFT Launchpad. Do your research on it. This is not an advertisement for any blockchain NFT platform. I will let you know if it was up front, but this is not an advertisement. This is research podcast episode on how to make money with NFTs. So play to earn games, you have a lot of those right now. Using NFT games to make money has become a popular approach. Axie Infinity is one of the most prominent platforms that has the NFT play to earn games. Axie Infinity. Tokens on crypto exchanges can gain indirect exposure to the P2E space. Okay, so you have Silks, the Sandbox, Decentraland, and more. And I've invested in Axie Infinity and Decentraland as well as the Sandbox. They got tokens on them as well. NFT holdings. You can buy NFTs and hold them, and hopefully they'll go up in value. You never know. Like I said, you never know how things will go as far as NFT value when you're holding them, unless you're staking them as well. Flipping NFTs, you buy the Bored Ape or the Lazy Ape Club and flip them, hoping that someone else buys them for a little bit more. And if you want to keep earning royalties on them, They have a little tab on some of these websites that you can indirectly hit, and that you can earn a small amount of royalties or whatever if someone else sells them, and it keeps going on and on. The minting part of that is like a QR code or something. I'm trying to simplify it for people that don't understand minting, but it's like a birth record of NFT on the blockchain. So they will always know who it belongs to. They can always research it. It leaves a trail. That's definitely what it does. It leaves a trail of that when you mint it on there. And when I started minting my NFTs, it only took me about 5 to 10 minutes to actually mint it. So it's fairly easy. You also have NFT trading. NFT trading. This process is geared towards making capital gains over the long term rather than getting in and out of the market as quickly as possible. Investors interested in NFT trading will often buy and sell an NFT for a small profit and then repeat this process over and over. So you have staking NFTs, which you earn, crypto on as it sits. These are usually the proof of stake blockchains and rewards the owner with the network's native token that you can flip, when it goes back up or whatever, Bitcoin or Algorand, ADA, whichever one you're on. Some of them pay in Bitcoin. That's why I mentioned Bitcoin. Some of them will pay you in a percentage of Bitcoin. Let's see the platforms, for example, are Mobox and Zookeeper. You can do your research on Mobox and Zookeeper. Generating royalties. Royalties go hand in hand with selling NFTs, so you will generate royalties by, selling at 5 or 10% of whatever you set the price at. Some NFTs sell higher. This was when the market was hot. Now, you're going to have to wait until the market goes back up. Right now we're in the bear market, and this relates to the stock market as well. A lot of people look over that. The stock market is not hot. When the stock market goes back up, crypto will go back up as well. You know, earn interest on NFT gaming rewards. An indirect way to make money with NFTs is to earn interest on the rewards that you make in a P2E game. Like fiat currency, these tokens rewards can be placed into crypto savings accounts to generate an annual yield. Often these yields are far higher than the traditional banks since cryptocurrencies are in such high demand. Right now, they're not in such high demand. People are holding on to their money and they're holding on to their crypto, but put your crypto in a cold storage until the market goes back up. If you don't listen to anything else, listen to that. If you're holding on in a cold storage or vaults, and leave it at that. Make sure no one can steal your keys. Let's see. BlockFi has over 1 million clients worldwide and offers up to 11% APY on a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Okay, they say they have no hidden fees, but I've heard of BlockFi, but I've never used the platform. But you can always go and do your research on that as well. Invest in companies with exposure to NFTs. This is like buying stocks in a company. Okay, you can do that once. Right now you can do your research and invest in a small amount. Never ever invest in more than what you can afford to lose, guys. Never ever. Some of the best metaverse stocks will also be related to NFTs. Meta platform leads the way in this regard, but I do not trust Facebook at all, to be honest. I do not trust Facebook. They always looking to block people and create their own algorithms and collect data and sell it like that. I don't trust Meta, Facebook, whatever. We recommend now these you got different platforms and you can look into eToro, but I'm not this is not an advertisement for any platform, but you can do your research on companies like eToro. eToro. You can invest in NFTs on any of these blockchains. Algorand has you can mint Algorand NFTs on Algorand for practically free. You don't pay the Ethereum high gas fees on Algorand blockchain. I know this because I've minted NFTs on that blockchain as well. So if you're looking for blockchains to mint, a lot of people don't tell you this, but those gas fees will, they will add up, especially Ethereum gas fees. They will add up. I know a lot of these companies like crypto.com, Coinbase, they're starting to sell their own NFTs or open their own NFT platforms. So just make sure that you're not going broke trying to buy a bunch of NFTs hoping you'll make some money. Do your research. I'll do my research as well, and I'll make the audio and videos on that. But make sure you don't go broke doing this. Make sure you know what you're doing. I have books on cryptocurrency. I published first in 2011. 2010, I knew about Bitcoin. So I got a few years in cryptocurrency as well. If you guys want to look me up, author Adidas Wilson. I'll see you next time, and thank you for listening to this episode.